Give your attendance, class 6. Class 6, give your attendance. Class 6, give your attendance. Sorry, Raj. Anyone else? Hello? हेलो, हाँ सर, राजीव सर बोल रहे थे, आज बोले थे आएंगे, आ जाइएगा। कितना बजे आइएगा लगभग सर? ठीक। Sorry, Raj, only one student is there. Give others. Others give your attendance. Others give your attendance. Other students. Give your attendance. Only Soria has given attendance. Have you learned Sachin Kumar then? Study we were writing up to on which topic there is study reply. Study we have studied up to which topic? Reply quickly. Study we have studied up to which topic? Fruits or seeds? Sachin reply there. Study we studied up to which topic? I think I taught up to flowers. Now see today fruits. Flowers taught. Then look here. Fruits. We eat fruits such as mangoes, papaya, oranges. Fruits are often sweet, juicy, and fleshy. Tomato, cucumber, green chilies, and capsicum. Tomato is also a fruit. Cucumber, green chilies, and capsicum are some fruits which we eat as vegetables. Seeds. The seeds of many plants are eaten as food. Say, we eat seeds of many plants as our food. See, pulses that we eat. We must have eaten gram seeds, gram gram vegetables are also there. See, pulses that we eat, gram, pea, arhar, moong, masoor, all are there. Seeds, pulses that we eat are also seeds of some plants. Spices such as cumin, fennel, and coriander. Coriander, see here. Coriander are also seeds. You must have seen coriander. Seen coriander, yes or no? Tell me, who has seen coriander? Have you all seen corianders in kitchen? Have you all seen coriander? Class 6 reply. Have you seen coriander? Spices such as cumin, fennel, coriander. Reply all of you. This class is very lazy class, not replying answers. Reply. One said their balance. Sachin did not say coriander. And this Surya Raj, have you seen coriander? Surya Raj. Now, cinnamon used as a spice is obtained from the bark of a tree. You know cinnamon. What is in Hindi called there? Cinnamon. Have you seen cinnamon or what it is called in Hindi? Do you know anybody? Reply. Have you seen that? What is in Hindi called that cinnamon? Does anyone know what is cinnamon? If you know, write or name. Otherwise, write don't know. If you don't know, write don't know. Don't know there. Anybody else? Sachin, do you know what it is called there? Sachin, cinnamon. Don't know. Don't know, then today you'll go in kitchen and ask your mother or mummy there to show you that dal chini. Have you heard dal chini? Have you heard the name of dal chini? Do not heard the name of dal chini. Go and see in the kitchen dal chini that is obtained from the bark of a tree. Khaskhas, seeds of poppy plant is used in breads, biscuits, and sweet meats. For cooking, different types of oils are used at home. See here, we are using basically which oil? Mustard oil and refined oil. How is mustard oil obtained? Tell me, how is mustard oil obtained? Reply, how is mustard oil obtained? How is mustard oil obtained? Mustard oil is obtained from mustard seed, means we are crushing the seeds in mustard mill, oil mills, and then what is obtained from that oil? For cooking, different types of oils are used at home. Many of these oils are obtained from seeds. Example of such oils are mustard oil obtained from mustard seeds and sesame oil obtained from sesame, that is till. That is sesame is till. You must have heard the name. All of you read up to this and tell me any doubt is there. Read. Yes, oil obtained from mustard seed. That is correct. Read up to air part. Read and tell me any doubt. Is there anybody? Now this reply only Sachin has replied. Anybody else? Now see this activity two. Take few take few moong dal seeds and soak them in water overnight. Next day, remove water and wrap the seeds in a wet cloth. Keep for another day. Unwrap them the next day. Do you see any change in them? You will see tiny white slender outgrowth called radical. Such seeds are called sprouts, and this process is called sprouting. Find out whether the seeds are eaten as sprouts. Sprouted seeds can be eaten raw or cooked. How you eat sprouts here? That is very true there. You have to take few moong dals or ask your parent this activity you have to do and tell there. Take few moong dals there, put in water overnight. Next morning you have to drain all the water, rinse all the water, then put in a wet cloth and tie it. After one day you will see sprouts, white sprouts coming out of it. These sprouts, the white portion is called radicle. The white portion that you see from the moong dal that is called radicle, and the process by which this actually radical means future root. Radical is what? Future root that will develop into root. See here. Do you see any change in them? You will observe tiny white slender outgrowths called radical on the seeds. Such seeds are called sprout. This process is called sprouting. Find out what other seeds are eaten as sprouts. Sprouted seeds can be eaten raw or cooked. Have you eaten these sprouted seeds? Reply all of you. Have you eaten these sprouted seeds? Yes or no? Yes, see here. Now food from animals. Human beings consume a variety of animal products as food. Different animals provide us different types. See here. We are dependent either on one plant or animal. See here. Why we are dependent on animal? We are dependent on animal for our food. See, different animals provide us different types of food. We get egg from hen, duck, quail. That is a kind of the animal only. We are getting eggs from hen, duck, and quail. Quail, I think I have to show you what is quail. Then, wait. Um, See here, this is that quail. See, this bird is quail. Have you seen quail? All of you, this bird is quail. This bird's egg. This bird's eggs also we use. So we get eggs from hen, duck, quail. Then we get meat from what? Hen, chicken. You are eating goat, duck, fish. We get milk from cow, buffalo, goat, camel. Several. These all are common things. We are getting milk from cow, goat, camel, and buffalo as well. Then several dairy products. Dairy products are obtained from what? Milk, ghee, cheese, butter, yogurt are prepared from milk. Honey bees provide us with honey. And how does the bees prepare honey? Reply all of you. How does bee prepare honey? How does bee prepare honey? How does bee prepare honey? by the nectar of plants. They visit various flowers and suck nectar. And if I ask you what do you mean by nectar, reply what is nectar? Reply what is nectar? Question is what do you mean by nectar? Nectar is concentrated sugar solution. Nectar is concentrated sugar solution that the bees obtain from flowers. Concentrated sugar solution that the bees obtain from flowers. Then see, honey bees provide us with honey which they prepare from the nectar of plants and store in their beehive. It is a unique food as all other food items need appropriate storage conditions. See here, all other food items, if you keep in cold, it may damage. If you keep at high temperature, it will be damaged. But this honey remains. Honey does not require any maintenance, either airtight container, low temperature, high temperature. Based on the type of food consumed, people say here if you are eating only this all of if you are eating only plant and plant products, you are called vegetarian. If you eat meat and meat products, you will call non-vegetarian. See, based on the type of food consumed, people are categorized as vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarians do not eat meat; they eat nuts and parts of such as fruits and vegetables. Non-vegetarians primarily eat meat and eggs. Non-vegetarians they will eat meat, egg product, and they both consume milk and milk products. Vegans do not eat animal products like milk. See here, again one term is there vegans. Vegans do not eat animal products like milk, egg, cheese, or animal product only they don't eat. All of you read up to there, and you have to write this activity 1 and activity 2 in your biopractical, and this activity you can do at home. The Mungdal activity. All of you read up to here first. Have you read? Okay. Then see this run through. Food give us energy. That also you have to write in your copy. Food give us energy. This you have to write in copy. Theory copy. Food gives us energy to carry out life activities like help in growth, repair of worn out cells, and protects the body from various diseases. This activity you have to write in biopractical. Practical copy. See here, Food gives us energy to carry out life growth activities, helps in growth. Carry out life activities helps in growth, repair of worn out cells, protects the body from various diseases. Food contain certain chemicals called nutrients required for maintaining good health. That is true there. Food contains essential substances and they are called nutrients. We obtain a variety of food from plants and animals. Plants can prepare their own food, so they are called producers. This also I will explain there. Plants can prepare their own food, so they are called producers. Animals directly or indirectly they are dependent on producers, so they are called consumers. We are eating different parts of the plant: root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, seeds. Human beings are categorized as vegetarians or non-vegetarian on their food preference. This table is clear or any doubt is there? Anybody? This table is clear or doubt is there? Next page you see track your progress. Potato is an edible stem. True or false? Tell me, potato is stem or root? It will be true or false. Give quickly answer. Potato is stem or root? Potato is stem or root? Stem. Yes. Beetroot, radish, turnip are all fruits. They are roots. First option is true. Second option is false. They are not roots. They are not true. They are roots. Animals produce their own food and do not depend on the plants. False. True, false. C is false. Milk and yogurt are milk products. True. Then, if not stored in appropriate condition, honey gets spoiled. False. A is false. Vegetarians eat meat and eggs. False. That is false. Give an example of consumer. You can write human being also. They are also consumers. Which type of food source do cheese and butter belong to? Animal food source. Milk. Name an edible stem which is used in many dishes. Potato you can write. Is it clear up to here? Any doubt is there? Anybody also will doing theory copy as a homework? This you have to do in your theory copy as homework. Will you do tomorrow? Complete your homework and check that. And give attendance, everybody. Give your attendance. Give your attendance quickly. Give attendance there, lady fellows. You don't know how to give attendance. Sixth class, write your name and write present, sir. Sorry, Raj. Very sorry, Raj.